These two different types of anti-aging home remedies is what you need to clear wrinkles, and you have to apply them depending on your skin type. The first ingredient you'll be needing is cucumber. This is cucumber. Cucumber is popular. You can easily find it in the markets or anywhere, even at home, because some people also plant it. You have to grate it either using a grater or blender, anyone you have at home. Just use it to grate it, just to extract the juice. Once you are done grating the cucumber, the next thing you have to do is to strain the cucumber to extract the cucumber juice. You can even use a cheesecloth if you have one, but just properly strain it. Cucumber is very good for the skin. It tones the skin, it brightens. It also helps to clear dark spots due to its lightening properties. If you have oil skin, then use this method. Measure 3 teaspoons of cucumber juice. Then get raw egg. In this raw egg, what we are going to be using is only the egg white, because you have oil skin. So egg white will help to tighten the skin and also prevent excess sebum on the skin. Once you have done getting the egg white, then you have to properly mix it either using a fork or a mixer. Once you are done mixing, then gently apply it on your face, on the affected areas, including your neck. Wash it out after 30 minutes. If you have dry skin, then use this method. Measure 3 teaspoons of cucumber juice. Then get your egg. Use egg yolk. You can add a little egg white, but use egg yolk. Egg yolk helps to moisturize the skin. It helps to moisturize. So if you have dry skin, use this one, cucumber juice and egg yolk. You can add a little egg white, but egg yolk is very important if you have dry skin. So mix very well with your fork and mixer, like the way you mixed the egg white. Apply it on your face. Wash it out after 30 minutes with cold water. You will see your face glowing and brightens up. Thanks for watching. Like this video, share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel.